BG.
So first of all, we have to cover the side of the headlamp. Now we use a 600 sandpaper. Only water is needed, nothing else, just sandpaper and water. You keep on sanding until the beige color stops coming and only white plastic is being removed. Make sure you do the corners and you don't miss it. Clean and dry the headlamp well. Try the spray pattern and see how does it spray. As you see, it's like this. It's not a cone, it's like this. So when you spray it this way. When you spray, you need about 15 centimeters away from the headlight. And now you put in the sun for 5 to 10 minutes. Before, after.
For more information, contact your BG Middle East representative.